Hi guys, right here we have the Volvo VCM module and we have already removed the battery, as you can see, and in this video we will show you how to safely disconnect it from the module and replace it. To remove the battery we'll use a small flathead screwdriver. Carefully pry it up. And then it will come out. And right here, guys, is our VCM battery. And the connector is out. We would like to point out a couple of things. First of all, this is how the connector looks like. It is made of white plastic and it goes inside the yellow plastic, which you can see inside the module. And the mistake that could be done in this case, when people start to pull the yellow plastic on the sides trying to remove this connector, and this is when they can damage the module and pull this basically connector off. When you do it, guys, you have to first of all use the flat screwdriver to press on this latch right here, and at the same time you have to grab this white plastic part on the sides like this, and then pull it up, and you have to make sure that you are grabbing the white plastic and not the yellow one. And now we can remove the battery. Carefully pry it out. And here it is. This is the part number of the VCM battery. The battery is lithium ion and the capacity is 450 milliamp hours. Now we will install the new battery. First insert the side where you can see this big clip or the holder, and then the other side snaps in. And now we can reconnect the connector. Unlike the removal, it is pretty straightforward. You simply push it inside. And again, to remove the battery we used small needle nose pliers and a flat head screwdriver. And the cover goes back on.